Hello, I'm Sophia, a student from Vista Oaks Charter School. First, I'll introduce you to the Physics Classroom, a free physics resource, which has a tutorial. The tutorial covers kinematics, electricity and thermodynamics, and optics. And those are split out into lessons. Every topic is split out into lessons, which is split out into parts. Some of these parts have check your understanding sections where you can answer, and then once you answered, you can see the correct answer. And that could be with an explanation. Those usually cover the content, which was explained in the tutorial page above. Now there's also other parts such as physics interactives that allow a person to interact with content and not just passively read it by viewing videos and viewing descriptions, for example. And you can answer questions, and then it says if it's drots, incorrect in some way, and if you want to choose a different description. So sometimes one of these interactives actually doesn't have questions, like the least time principle interactive. Here you can see that you can change both the speed and the speed and the angle sliders once the ball or the lifeguard reaches. And then you can see if you want a maximal or minimal speed, depending on cases. Now there's also animations like average versus instantaneous speed in the multimedia studios. And there's another resource, the calculator pad, which is similar to the tutorial, except that it provides formulas right when you need them and audio guided solutions, while the tutorial only providing text solutions sometimes with no explanation. So next, I'm going to introduce you to Biochemistry Literacy for Kids by Daniel Freed, who graduated from Yale University. We take 2 classes from him. One of them is organic chemistry. It's a new class at the college level. It's a new live class. And another one is a recording. For a small fee, you can purchase access to all 26 of the lessons. Now, once you purchased access, you can also see worksheets to those lessons and can download PyMol files related to the lessons, like the sample lesson.
Hi everyone, I'm Dan Freed, creator of Bio.
And then you can see most of the time he uses PyMol. For example, in this case, it's showing a carbon which bonds to another carbon which bonds to a hydrogen. Now, also in PyMol, this is the lipase enzyme rendered in a mode that is suitable for 3D glasses. Here you can see the magic of molecules, which you usually don't see in most structures, such as bond line structures. Such as, if you are careful, you can check what's inside of the alpha helix that cannot be rendered using simply a 2D structure. You can also see all the hydrogens bonded together and can change models between various models such as surfaces, and that is mainly destined for proteins, but you can also use other molecules such as sodium chloride, which renders a crystal. In this case, for example, this is a histidine, which is attached to the lipase enzyme. And you can see that coating which you don't really see either. You can also increase and decrease how much the molecule is shown by moving your mouse through the pinwheel. I really love Professor Daniel Freed's classes. Thank you. Bye.